Hello and welcome to another episode of how to use ProCabby Driver. Today we'll be going over on how to submit your documents and photos. So once you're satisfied with the terms and condition, you simply click on register, and as you can see, it's going to tell you are registered successfully. This is step 2 of the process. You will be required to submit 4 documents, which are the driver picture, the taxi vehicle picture, the taxi license picture, and a driver license picture. This is how we can confirm that you are a taxi driver. We only allow taxi drivers on our platform, and these documents are not shared with anyone at all. It's only to make sure that you are a taxi driver. So we're going to start with the driver picture. So we're going to click on driver picture. You'll go into your phone, get a picture of yourself, submit that. A taxi vehicle picture, so that's a picture of your taxi. So a picture of your chauffeur license. Okay, this is not the license plate, this is your taxi chauffeur license. So you will be entering the expiry date on the card on your chauffeur license. So let's take this for example. Okay, this has an expiry date of 1/15, so we'll enter the ID, which is 01234. The expiry date will enter 01/15. When you enter the expiry date, it has to be in a future date. Okay, so in this example we won't be able to do that. What we'll do is we'll select 2019. Okay, and if it expires, the minute it expires, your account will be locked. You won't be able to get calls until you update your expired document. Okay, so when you try to log in, it will tell you there's a document that's expired. You have to update your document as it expires. And then this is a picture of your driver's license. All right, so in this here, you're going to enter the driver's license number and the expiry date on the driver's license. Make sure you submit your documents, otherwise it will automatically be rejected. Okay, so the ID number here is your driver's license number. I can't see it, so I'm just going to enter 123456, and the expiry date, that's the expiry date on your driver's license. And again, we're just going to enter some random future number for this example. Make sure you enter your actual valid expiry date. Once you're done, that's all it takes. You hit submit. Somebody will review your app and will get back to you within 24 hours. If you do not hear anything back within 24 hours, and when you open the app you still get this message here on the screen, simply click email. This will send an email out to our admin, and we will approve your account if your documents that you submitted are valid and prove that you are a taxi driver. You don't need to log out. You can leave the application open, and as soon as you get approved, you will get notified that tells you that you have been approved through the app, and this message will disappear automatically. So as you can see, you get notified that you have been approved immediately, and you see at the top left hand side the type of vehicle or the class of vehicle that you are basically operating. Now, the picture that we have submitted for this profile is an accessible taxi, and as the picture submitted was an accessible taxi, it was classified as an accessible taxi. So you can see immediately the classification of your vehicle, and if you're unsatisfied with this, just contact us and we'll put you in the correct classification. Okay, now in final thing, and that is your ProCabby driver profile picture, which is displayed publicly. you will need to update this because that is also separate from the documents that you submitted, but it's very easy to do. So you simply open that up, you go into the profile, you click on the crayon on the top right hand side, you click on the picture, you go to the gallery, you select the images, you submit your profile picture. It will ask you to basically narrow it down to yourself, whatever picture you select. Even if there's multiple people in it, just narrow it down, put your own picture, select yourself, and you hit done when you're done, and that will be your profile picture. So we're just going to enter our password, and done, and done. So now if I look at my profile picture, you can see that my profile picture is updated. Okay, and when that is done, you will need to enter your banking detail, and that is in another video, and we'll show you how that can be completed. Thank you for watching, and wishing you have a great day.